Hi, it's Marianne from the Rockin' RV Adventures. I got a super important video for you today, especially since we're at 4th of July weekend. It's about how to find your missing pet, your dog especially, but it goes for all pets. 4th of July, the fireworks scare the dogs. They'll bolt. They won't come when they're called. It's just a terrifying time for domestic pets, wildlife, horses, etc. So I wanted to share with you a few tips on how to find your lost pet. God forbid should that happen. After you've thoroughly checked your house and yard, I'm talking closets, under beds, behind the couch, in a corner, in the bathtub, dogs will run and hide when they're scared. Once you realize your pet is missing, get out there, start beating feet in the neighborhood. Ask everybody you know, have you seen my pet? Make sure your neighbors know your pet is missing. So dogs will hide everywhere. So make sure you check your yard and your house, and then get out there and start looking for your pet. Do not wait for your dog to come home. You need to get out there and start searching the neighborhood. Ask everyone you see, have you seen my pet? Show them a picture. Tell them where you live. So if they do find the dog, they can get the dog back to you. Contact your microchip company. Make sure your information is up to date with the correct email and phone numbers. And make sure you have a current picture on file, so when they send out a microchip lost pet alert, that it's a good picture of your pet. Also, contact your local shelter and the vets nearby. Wow, weird reflections off my glasses. So let's continue. So after you contact your microchip company, make sure you check Facebook, Craigslist, make large colored posters. The large colored posters stand out better than flyers. And if you can put plastic sheeting over them to keep them from getting damaged in the rain. So it's super important with a recent photo of your dog. Put a large sign in your front yard, lost dog. Most of your neighbors will know, you don't mind list, will know your pet, but people driving by may not. So super important to put a sign in your yard. Go to the shelter daily. Your description of your dog, the breed, may not match what the shelter has. Go walk the kennels and look at every kennel just to be sure. Check it on a daily basis. Keep looking and don't give up. Offer a reward for your missing dog. There will be some people that will try and pull scams on you, but take their information. And if they do have your dog, great, give them a reward. But again, be careful of scams out there. Use your vehicle as a poster. Get the right on glass markers. Put a photo of your dog in the back window. Great advertising as you drive around town. Make sure your phone number is visible. Make sure the photo of the dog is visible. Many people will see it that way. There's an app called Pet Lost Love, Petco Lost Love. And you can go on and file a loss report there, and it gets sent out to all kinds of vets and shelters as well. And you can actually file a picture of your pet beforehand and have it on file should something go south and your dog goes missing. You may want to consider, if you have a dog that's a runner, putting a GPS tracker on your dog. That will help as long as the collar stays on the dog and the tracker stays on your dog's collar. Leave a few articles of clothing, like at your front yard, so that if the dog does come home, it'll have a familiar smell. And there's also people that do just pet tracking, so you might want to consider getting a pet tracker if it's been a bit and you can't find your dog. But please don't ever give up. So I hope this video was helpful for you. I'm trying to do more dog videos because that's where my heart is. I love my dogs. I hope you have a wonderful, blessed 4th of July. And as always, leave it better than you found it. Make it a great day. And there's my Sam. There's my Sam. Make it a great day. God bless. We'll see you on the next go round.